Don't buy the Nothing Phone 2A. In this video, we'll explore some reasons why you might want to think twice before purchasing the Nothing Phone 2A. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones and taking a closer look at the Nothing Phone 2A. First off, let's talk about brand reputation. Nothing is a relatively new player in the smartphone industry, and while they've generated quite a bit of excitement, they don't have the established track record that many other brands do. This lack of history can lead to concerns about reliability, customer support, and long-term satisfaction with the product. 2. Moving on to specs and features, the Nothing Phone 2A may not stack up against its competitors in the same price range. Whether it's camera quality, processing power, display resolution, or battery life, potential buyers might find themselves compromising on key features when opting for the Nothing Phone 2A. 3. With so many smartphones on the market, it's crucial to consider the alternatives. While the Nothing Phone 2A might seem appealing, there could be better options available from more established brands or emerging competitors. These alternatives might offer better value for money, superior performance, or more features, making them a more attractive choice for consumers. 4. Another factor to consider is ecosystem integration. The Nothing Phone 2A may not seamlessly integrate with existing ecosystems such as smart home devices or wearables. For users invested in a particular ecosystem, this lack of integration could be a significant drawback. 5. Software support is also a concern with a newcomer like Nothing. Since they're just starting out, the future of software updates and support for the Nothing Phone 2A is uncertain. This uncertainty could leave buyers in the dark when it comes to important updates, security patches, and bug fixes. 6. When it comes to accessories and aftermarket support, the Nothing Phone 2A may fall short. Compared to more established brands, there might be a limited selection of accessories available, and aftermarket support such as repair services could be scarce. This lack of support could impact the overall user experience and longevity of the device. 7. Finally, let's talk about resale value and longevity. With a less recognized brand and uncertain software support, the Nothing Phone 2A may not hold its value as well as smartphones from more established brands. This could make it less appealing for users looking to upgrade or resell their devices in the future. So there you have it, folks, some reasons why you might want to think twice before purchasing the Nothing Phone 2A. While it's always exciting to see new players enter the smartphone market, it's essential to consider all aspects before making a decision. As always, be sure to do your research and weigh the pros and cons carefully before making any purchase. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech reviews and discussions. See you next time.